Did you know that you can schedule your service appointment right on our website? Let me show you how. First, we're going to go to the website, hawknissanstcharles.com. From the menu button, you're going to go ahead and click Service and then Schedule Service. Once you get to this page, you'll go ahead and enter your cell phone number and hit Confirm. If you have already been to our location, Carmen will bring up your profile. The app will ask you which car you're trying to book a service for, and then you can go ahead and either add a new car or add your current car. The app will then ask you what your current mileage is and what kind of service you're looking to book. On this next page, you'll be able to book the service that you're looking to do with us, and it will also show you other packages that we have available for you. On the next page, once you confirm the service that you're looking to book, you will then be asked if you need pickup and delivery services. You can go ahead and answer yes or no, and then you can also select your preferred service consultant, and you can then look at the schedule to see what the availability is. Once you confirm your date and time, that is it. You're confirmed and ready to go. At the end of your booking, you're going to receive a summary of the maintenance or service that you're requesting for your vehicle. Once you hit Confirm My Booking, all of this goes straight to our advisors and your scheduled appointment is going to be generated. We will also then send you a booking confirmation straight to your cell phone number. And don't forget, since you're here already, you can always have the option to have your vehicle appraised and view your options. And that's it, guys. That is everything you have to do to book an appointment.